Welcome to the tutorial on the Home tab. In the Home tab we have the first group called the clipboard group, and you see the first command in the clipboard group is cut, and you get other commands like format, painter, copy, paste, and we're going to explore all of them. So firstly, let's explore the cut command. If we go through the difference between cut and copy, let me demonstrate that by selecting the second paragraph. Okay, we all love a good story, and I will cut it. Now after cutting it, you see that it disappears. What happened is that it got copied to the clipboard, and you can access the clipboard by pressing this small arrow. And there we have it, the contents of the clipboard. We all love a good story. That was the first paragraph that got cut. And what you can do is move your cursor somewhere, which I'm gonna do maybe on the third paragraph, and tap on that, and it has pasted that paragraph which we cut there. So we can clear our clipboard by pressing clear all, and I pressed undo, Control Z to undo everything. If we copy, on the other hand, then what happens is it does copy to the clipboard. However, our paragraph doesn't get cut. And that is the difference between cut and copy. And you can delete it to clear your clipboard. Now we're gonna look at the format painter. Let's format a good story and new ways of communication because they are headings. Okay, so um, what format painter allows you to do is to copy the formatting of a certain text, like hoaxes for example, which I've selected, and copy. So we paste it on a good story, and it has pasted the formatting. You can see hoaxes is formatted the same as a good story, and now I pressed undo. So yeah, I'm gonna give a good story style, heading 1 style, and now let's go to the format painter, and I've copied a good stories formatting to new ways of communication. It is also now heading 1. But here's the thing, I want to copy it to the other headings. So how can I do it? If I select format painter, if I double click on it, okay, like right now, if I double click it, then I can copy it and I can paste it on multiple headings. Alright, that is the difference between double clicking and single clicking format painter, and this is some amazing feature which Microsoft Word offers. Right, but there is a quicker way to do this, but we're gonna come soon to it, right, in our series on tutorials. So next we have the paste command. Okay, once you copy something, okay, and by the way I'll demonstrate it, so take note that the word good is in italics in a good story. So let's copy the good, and I'm gonna take note it's in italics. So now in the first paragraph you have in the first line good, but we're gonna replace it with the italicized good in the heading a good story. So we're gonna replace it, so I press paste and you can see it has pasted. Okay, the previous, so yeah, we pasted it. Now Word allows you different options to paste. Okay, you can paste only text, you can keep source formatting when you paste, you can merge formatting when you paste, you can keep text only when you paste, and that means just paste plain text without any formatting. Okay, so let's go through the first way of pasting. Okay, keep source formatting. What that does is that it keeps the formatting of where we copied it from, and it implements it in the place. So let's demonstrate that by making the first green. Okay, the first good green. Now I copy it, and now I'm gonna copy it as keep source formatting. Okay, then you see it's green as well. Okay, it has kept the formatting of the source where it was copied from. Now we undo, and let's explore the second method of pasting. Merge formatting. What that does is that it's gonna it's gonna it's gonna keep the style, but it's gonna just remove other types of formatting. It's gonna keep the style of the place in which it was, in the paragraph which it was pasted in, but it's gonna remove other formatting like color and that. So let's keep text only. Okay, what that does is it removes every type of formatting and every style pretty much, and it just keeps the text. Simple as that. Okay, so a good story. We gonna make the font Trajan Pro, and I'm gonna paste it over here. So keep text only, and there you see the my point about it only keeping the text as Calibri 11 and didn't copy Trajan Pro. Okay, didn't copy the font or the color, it just kept pasted the text. Okay, now Word offers other ways of formatting, of pasting, sorry. Okay, that is paste special. So if we click on paste and we explore the paste special option, I've created a graph or something else in Microsoft Excel to demonstrate the paste special function. So let's go to Microsoft Excel, which we're in right now, and I've created this chart here. Very random chart, doesn't really make any sense, but that's not the point. The point is just to demonstrate uh, the Microsoft Words feature. So this is just a chart. You can see it updates as we change the data, and um, I'm gonna copy this chart and paste it in Microsoft Word. So I copy, oh, there it is, copy, and let's go back to Microsoft Word, and I'll paste it right there. So I'll paste it by pasting special. All right, paste special, and you can see a number of options in which we can paste. Okay, we can paste it as picture JPEG, we can picture PNG, picture GIF. There's a lot of options, so we're gonna paste it as picture JPEG. Okay, and what we have our chart, but it's pasted as a picture, like, you know, a picture which you take like a selfie or anything. You can scale it, we can make it big, small. All right, it's not really dynamic, it's static, it doesn't update. So there's other options, like other ways I can paste this. Okay, I can paste it as a link, or I can paste it as a Microsoft Excel chart object, Microsoft Office graphic object, or I can paste it as a link. Okay, and I'll paste it as Microsoft Office graphic object. What happens when you paste it as a link is that it will be a hyperlink to your Excel file. Rather, I'll paste it as a Microsoft Excel chart object. So we have this chart that's pasted, and it's not a picture, it's not static anymore, it's dynamic, and it does scale, but thing is that it's dynamic. So I just double clicked, and it led us to this chart here, okay, in Microsoft Excel. So let me show you another feature. If I change this chart, okay, 20, I make B20, and um uh, I said 20, so the chart changed. Okay, so it's not really a significant difference. So if I make this 100, okay, or no, not 100, make it 0. So B, the bar for B just disappears. Now we go back to Word, okay, and I click update. Okay, right click and update link. What happens is that it updated just like it updated in Microsoft Excel, and that is what happens when you paste special, and that is some very important features which Word offers, important paste features. Okay, you can find in the paste special command. Okay, and you can explore other ways. You can look other YouTube videos if you're interested on pasting special. Okay, but um, for the purpose of this video not being too long, I'm gonna um, move on. So yeah,